Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Bahria Colleges PNET. Our today's topic is on velocity and its type. After this lecture, student will be able to understand concept of velocity, difference between speed and velocity. Velocity is the rate of displacement of a body. The formula of velocity is velocity is equal to displacement over time. V is equal to d upon t, where V denoted to velocity, d for displacement and t for time. We can distinguish between speed and velocity. Both are physical quantities, but speed is a scalar quantity and has magnitude and unit only. In other hand, velocity is a vector quantity and has magnitude, unit and direction. Here is a type of velocity. First type of velocity is uniform velocity. If a body travels equal distance in equal interval of time along a particular direction, the body is said to be moving with a uniform velocity. In this example, car move 30 km in each time of half hour. When we calculate the velocity, we get 60 km per hour. Each time car travel equal distance in equal interval of time. Another type of velocity is average velocity. The ratio between displacement and total time is known as average velocity. The formula for average velocity is displacement over time, that is normally we calculate. Another type of velocity is variable velocity. When an object that is traveling at variable velocity means that object velocity is changing. This means the object has an acceleration, as the definition of acceleration is rate of change of velocity. So if there is variable velocity, object has another characteristic that is called acceleration. In this example, starting velocity is Vi and it is 30 km per hour, but at the end of the car has final velocity, that is 30 km per every 0.25 hour. At the starting velocity is 30 km per hour, but after applying a formula, we get at the ending velocity is 120 km per hour. In case of circular motion, velocity change by the change of direction. The direction of the velocity of an object in uniform circular motion is always tangent to the circle. In variable velocity, change in velocity due to two factors. First is speed may not always be constant, or the velocity of an object may change even if the speed remain the same. In the second condition apply on the circular moving object. Dear student, initial velocity is the velocity which the body has an beginning to the given time period, and final velocity is the velocity which the body has at the end of the given time period. Now we discuss the difference between speed and velocity. The speed is the distance traveled by body in a unit time, but the velocity is the displacement of the body in a unit time. Speed is a scalar quantity speed does not tell us the direction of the motion of the body, but velocity is a vector quantity. The velocity tells us the speed and direction of the motion of the body. Speed is always positive, but the velocity can be positive or negative depending on the direction of motion. During the circular motion, the average speed does not become zero after completing one round, but during the circular motion, average velocity becomes zero after completing one round. Here is your assignment. Complete it. Allah Hafiz.